Hi there, guys.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Silver Fanatic. Okay,
yes.
guys. Today's video
It is inspired by
Cash and Coin, guys. Cash and Coin. We saw a video by him that it really inspired us to tell our story about the safety deposit box.
and we were laughing about it.
We were really ripping about it. Yeah. So those safety deposit box that were raided by the FBI
at
Beverly Hills.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
We just felt that a need for us as well to share our story with the safety deposit box that we had, which no longer.
Yeah. Because we once thought that what if this thing coming back for silver raid? For safety box raid.
Yeah.
What we will do?
What we will do
with our ones
as such always says, if you don't hold it, you don't own it.
Exactly.
Sarge always says that. He always emphasizes that, guys, and it is true. If you don't hold it, you don't own it. Beverly Hills really showed us that when the FBI raided about 1,400 safety deposit boxes.
Yeah, I think so. Yes. Because we once had it. And we were like, no, let's just go cancel the contract. Yeah.
We said, no, let's go cancel because it is really not safe. The silver...
We're going to lose everything.
The silver confiscation could come in different ways. You mustn't just look at one way like it happened before. So it can come in all different ways. Like the Beverly Hill raid, they confiscated silver and gold and other belongings that were in people's safety deposit boxes. So
I don't think everyone was ready for it or was waiting for it. It just happened.
Nobody was ready for it. It just randomly happened. According to other videos, it's appeared as if that they had planned this thing for quite some time. So so that raid of 1,400 boxes, guys, if you have a safety deposit box, I don't know, I won't give any advice, but I will say, Sarge always says, if you don't hold it like I'm holding it, you don't own it.
Yes.
That's true. That is really true. So when we went and canceled our own safety deposit box, the lady that we spoke to looked at us funny. She thought we were cuckoo.
She asked us why we cancel it.
Yeah.
And we told them the same story.
We told her that one day we will not have access to our safety deposit box. Or something will happen to it.
And we'll lose everything.
We'll lose everything.
And we don't want that.
Yes. Anybody will just go into our safety deposit box
and
deny us access. So that's what we told her. She looked at us funny, she looked at us cuckoo, and we left because she wanted to write down what is the reason why are we deciding to just close our safety deposit box. So that was our story.
And then it happened, and then we laughed and then said, this is what we told the lady.
Then we spoke to her when we went and closed our own. I hope one day she can remember
these two faces.
The faces that came, that looked cuckoo, that looked confused. Those two faces that looked bizarre, didn't know what they were talking about when it happens. Because guys, it's really going to happen. It will not just end in Beverly Hill.
That's true.
Many people will be targeted.
Yeah, that's true.
Confiscation, as I've mentioned, it can come in all different ways. We mustn't look like it happened before. Those years back. So they said those safety deposit boxes in Beverly Hills, they store assets that may be tied to unknown crimes. Imagine that, guys. Imagine.
Investigation still going.
It's still going, and they misled the judge to sign the warranty of confiscation to raid
permanently. They say.
There was one that said permanently. They will confiscate permanently. Imagine all your life savings in that box, what would you do? What do you, I would have gone
like we
mad.
said before, don't keep your eggs in one basket.
Yeah, divert
Into different things. Yes, that's true.
So yeah, guys, we just wanted to tell our story about the safety deposit box. We felt now it's a good time to tell it
because we had
because of the video that we saw by Cash and Coin. And that's an awesome, a wonderful channel.
Go subscribe.
If you don't know, go watch the video where he explained about this. Very interesting, where he explained about this confiscation. Go watch the video.
Yes.
Okay, and Sarge as well. Excellent, wonderful channel. We will tell you straight. If you don't hold it, you don't own it, guys.
Every video.
He will remind you in every video. So go watch those 2 channels, guys. On awesome channels. They're very educational.
And let's not forget to stack more of these.
Guys.
It's coming, guys.
These guys.
It's coming.
Really coming. It's coming.
It's tough now.
Okay. I think today's video was just about that one. Okay.
That's it.
Yeah, guys, and the guy is still on one more.
Yeah, you can do
599.
Yes.
We want to give away that coin. It's 600, guys.
Maple leaf. Yeah. Yes.
One of these. One of these, guys.
That's true.
Yeah. So if you haven't subscribed, please do.
Yes.
We want to do that giveaway, so we can look forward on other giveaways as well.
That's true.
Okay.
All right,
guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.